This is why you need 4 different FRI token miners. Hello everybody, my name is Sanad. Welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. Let's jump straight into the video. So in today's video, I'll be telling you exactly what I do with each of my FRI token miners and why I believe this could be one of the best strategies out there. Alright, so let's talk about why you need 4 different miners. Obviously, the more miners you have, the better. The more coins you're going to mine, the more profit you are going to make. But let me talk about a simple strategy that I have just begun utilizing. Normally, every time I get a miner such as this one or this one right here or this one or this little one here, I simply plug them in and I let them mine away and make me profits. But now I have come to the conclusion, maybe I need to diversify just a little bit. So I have 4 miners that are mining the FRI tokens. So what I plan on doing is very simple. The miner in the back, this one right here, I will let it mine FRI tokens and I will continue to stack up on the FRI tokens as long as possible. This miner number 2, I will take all the FRI tokens and I will sell them for Algorand. As you guys know, the FRI token is on Algo, so I will be selling it and converting to Algo. Obviously, all 4 miners are connected to 4 different wallets. So this will be my wallet that collects Algorand for me. This one will be collecting the FRI token. And now let's talk about the other 2. The third miner, this one right here, all the FRI tokens I will be selling and converting the profits into stable coins such as USDT or USDC. So this one will be earning me pretty much profit that I can pull out and use in my everyday life. Obviously, it is not going to be a ton of money, but it is always good to have some money in stables sitting on the sidelines waiting to be deployed. And finally, miner number 4, this little guy right here, I will be selling all the FRI tokens that this miner mines, and I will be buying other projects on the Algorand ecosystem. Pretty much all the new projects coming out on Algo, I will be using the profits from this miner to buy those projects. The lower market cap, the better. This will be my gambling miner. Pretty much taking all the profits that he makes and degenerating it into the low market cap gems on Algorand. So that is the breakdown right now. 4 different miners mining the exact same thing, but the profits being utilized differently from each of these miners. So if you want to start mining FRI tokens, I will have a link to these miners in the description box below. Make sure you check it out and make sure you start stacking up on your crypto positions. The bull run is just around the corner. Like, follow, subscribe. See you in the next video. Peace out.